Okay, so we have learned two ways of importing the modules into your program. So the first one is importing the entire module. The second one is importing selected objects from the module. Those are the two ways of importing the modules. Okay, so when we were discussing those two methods, you must have noticed that in the first method, when you import the entire module, you have to specify the name of the uh, module, and then you have to specify the object name, right? Okay, that is math.py, math.pow. You have to refer it with the name. Okay, whereas in the other case, while importing a selected objects, it is not necessary to import, it is not necessary to specify the specify the module name. Why is it so? So to understand that concept, you have to understand what you mean by namespace. So the namespace, the definition of namespace reads as this. Okay, it is a named logical environment holding logical grouping or related objects within a namespace. Its member object referred without a prefix. Okay, so this is a definition of a namespace. Okay, how you can understand namespace is that, so when you write any Python program, it will create a space, it will create a space or a memory which contains all the objects, variables of that particular program. So in that namespace, what you are trying to do is you are trying to import another module. Okay, so when you import a module, the complete module, okay, so the module, whatever the module that you are trying to import, it will create its own namespace. That is, when you import math module, for the math module, new namespace will be created. From that namespace only you will be able to access it. Okay, so it is like, if you want to use your friend's pen or something. Okay, what you can do is, the first method is, when you ask a pen or pencil from your friend, so if he is busy, what he will do, he will give you a pouch. So from that pouch you can open a pouch, and then you can take a pen and then use it. That is, you have to open it from the, through the pouch only you will be able to get whatever you want. Okay, so importing the entire module, it is like that. Okay, so go to that space and then access whatever you want. Okay, so if you ask another friend, he may give you a pen directly. So in that case, you can, as soon as you get the pen, you can start writing it, right? Okay, so no need to go for a pouch and all that. Okay, so even though it is very bad example, let it be. So that is what importing an entire module. When you import an entire module, it will come with a space. Okay, so if you want to use any objects or any functions in that module, you have to go through that, that is accessing through the pouch. Okay, so here you have to access it through the namespace, whereas in while importing the selected modules, okay, so it will give you, he is giving you whatever you want directly, and then you are keeping it in your notebook or bag or whatever, and then you are using it directly. It is something similar to that, right? Okay, so just go through what are all the steps that are involved while importing the module. So the code of the imported module is interpreted and then executed when you try to import, and then defined functions and variables created in the module are now available to the program that imported the module. Okay, so now it is available to you. For imported module, a new namespace is set up with the same name as that of the module. So when you import math module, math namespace will be created, and then from that namespace only you will be able to access the objects. Whereas when you access the selected objects, okay, it is same here. The code of imported module is interpreted and executed. Only the asked functions and variables from the module are made available to the program. Okay, so here it is not creating a new space, instead it will be made available to you directly. Okay, no new namespace is created, the imported definition is just added to the current namespace. So when you write a program, that is whatever the test.py, in that namespace itself, whatever the object that you have imported, that will come to that particular namespace, so that you are accessing that without any prefix. Okay, so that is the difference between these two, right? Dear children, that's all for today's session. In today's session we have learned about library, module, how to create a module, how to import the module in a program, what is the difference between these two. Okay, that is what we have discussed today. Please go through the slides carefully, and if you have any doubts, please get back to me. Thank you, children.